In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Etsy to confirm your email address, ensuring your account is fully functional and ready for all the amazing things Etsy has to offer. This guide is designed to help those who might find themselves stuck at any point during this process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and in the address bar type etsy.com and hit enter. This will bring you to Etsy's homepage, where you'll see a variety of handcrafted items, vintage treasures, and all sorts of artistic products crafted by sellers from around the world. It's a great community for creative individuals and buyers who appreciate unique items. Now that you're on the homepage, the next step is to navigate to your Etsy profile. To do this, look for your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. It might appear as a small icon depicting a silhouette or possibly your profile picture if you've already uploaded one. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. This section is crucial as it holds personal and account management settings that are vital for your Etsy experience. Once you've accessed the account settings, you'll be presented with several options that help manage your account details. Since our goal here is to confirm your email, you need to scroll down this page until you reach the Email section. This part of the setup verifies your contact information with Etsy, ensuring that you receive all necessary communication from the platform, whether it's updates on your purchases, connection with other Etsy members, or notifications about your own shop if you're a seller. In the email section, take a moment to check the status of your email. Look for the label that says Email Status. If it reads unconfirmed, it's crucial to take action here to verify your account properly. Beneath this status, you should see the option to resend confirmation email. Don't hesitate to click on this. It prompts Etsy to send a new confirmation email to the address you provided. Be sure to check your email inbox immediately after, including the spam or junk folder, as sometimes these confirmation emails can end up there. After confirming your email, your Etsy account is officially verified, and you've successfully set the stage for a smoother online shopping or selling experience. This simple verification step is important as it not only secures your account, but also ensures that you're staying connected with the Etsy community through your registered email. By following these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to manage your account settings more comfortably and address any issues related to your Etsy email confirmation. Feel free to explore the other features Etsy has to offer now that your account is all set up. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.